Good afternoon, algebra students. This logarithm change of base rule intro is brought to you by myself, Mrs. Walden, as well as Khan Academy. So, suppose we wanted to find the value of the expression log base 2 of 50. Since 50 is not a rational power of 2, it is very difficult to evaluate this expression without a calculator. However, most calculators only directly calculate logarithms that are common logarithms, which have a base of 10, or natural logarithms, which have a base of e. So to find the value of log base 2 of 50, we must change the base of the logarithm first. And the way that we will do that is by using the change of base rule. We can change the base of any logarithm by using the following rule. The log base b of a is equal to the log base x of a divided by the log base x of b. You can use this rule to change the logarithm to any base x. For our purposes, I'm going to recommend that we use base 10 or base e. That'll make it easier to type it into a calculator. So the log base b of a, once again, is equal to the log base x of a divided by the log base x of b. So as previously mentioned, to evaluate log base 2 of 50 with a calculator, using a base of 10 or a base of e is going to be will enable us to find this value on a calculator. So we're going to change log base 2 of 50 to base 10. In order to do this, we're going to apply the change of base rule, where b is equal to 2, a is equal to 50, and x is equal to 10. So applying the change of base rule, the log base 2 of 50 would equal the log base 10 of 50 divided by the log base 10 of 2. Log base 10, it's the common log. You don't have to write the base of 10. And you can now type it into your calculator. You can type the log of 50 divided by the common log of 10. And it is approximately equal to 5.644. So 5 and 644 thousandths. You can also use the natural logarithm if you prefer. So instead of doing the log base 10 of 50 divided by the log base 10 of 2, you could do the natural log of 50 divided by the natural log of 2. And the log base 2 of 50, using the natural logarithms with the change of base rule, will give you the exact same answer, 5 and 644 thousandths. So we're going to just check our understanding real quick. So to evaluate the log base 3 of 20, I'm going to take out a calculator. Okay, so how do I clear this? Okay. So we're going to do the log of 20. So we do 20. We'll take the log of 20, and I'm going to divide by the log of 3, and that's equal to 2.727, approximately. And if you want to hit the explain, it'll give us that same explanation. The log base 3 of 20 is the log of 20 divided by the log of 3. When you type it into your calculator, it's going to look a little bit different. Why don't we try the log base 7 of 400 once again with our calculator. This time I'll use a natural log. So I'm gonna, how do I clear? There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do the natural log of 400. So my calculator requires me to type the 400 first. Yours probably won't. I'm gonna divide by the natural log of 7. So once again, we're doing the natural log of 400 divided by the natural log of 7. And we are going to get about 3.079. So once again, same idea. Log base 7 of 400 would be the log base 10 of 400, or the log base e of 400, divided by the log base 10 of 7, or the log base e of 7. So as previously mentioned, that would be 3.079. So to make sure that you understand, I want you guys to try, you're going to try this problem. Go ahead and pause the video, try it, and see if you can get the correct answer, and then we'll check it together when you're ready to hit play. So pause the video, give it a shot, and hit play when you're ready to check. Okay, so hopefully you've used the change of base formula correctly, and you did the common log or the natural log of 3/10. You divided by the common log or the natural log of 4. So in this case, they used the common log, the log of 3/10 divided by the log of 4, and your answer should be approximately negative 0.868. Okay. Now if you have any questions, just let me know, and then go ahead and get started on the worksheet.